I recently had to make some pretty severe dietary changes for health reasons, and one of the things a lot of the recipes were calling for was fresh herbs. Now, this is not something that comes easily in my country. I live in Canada, and it's the middle of winter right now. There's no herbs growing outside anywhere. So in order to bring them into my diet, I had to be investing $2, $3, even $5 and $6 for little pouches of herbs, which honestly, most of the time were horribly conditioned. The AeroGarden should allow me to bring dill, thyme, parsley, and other great herbs into my diet. And I was a little skeptical, but already only on day 3, I'm seeing some action. The basil here has started sprouting and actually looks really healthy. And maybe within a week or two, I'll do an update video and actually have something to eat. So I just can't get over how amazing it looks on my counter. And if you have a Costco membership, I got this for just $1.29 Canadian, whereas on Amazon, it was actually $2.39. So I just couldn't say no. Getting into the menus here, the on and off for the light is super simple. You might want to use that if you're watching a movie or something, but otherwise just let it run automatically. The other button on the right there, it's a menu, which is not obvious, but once you press it, it does say to start scrolling, which, it doesn't work. So I actually had to look this up online, but basically you just need to tap the menu button again, and then you can access the menu. So just remember to double tap the menu button if you need to get in there. I'm not going to go over the rest of these features because there's a lot of other videos which do that, but I've got mine set up on an herb garden schedule which runs the light 17 hours per day. When it's time to add more water or plant food, all you have to do is lift up this compartment and add whatever you need to do. The device actually will alert you when it's time to do this, but it doesn't seem to have a vacation mode, so if you're going away, you might want to have someone check on this while you're gone. Well, that's just about it for now. I just have to sit back and wait, except I'll be honest, I'm pretty excited about this. I went and picked up a second one to grow lettuce in. So this way I'm going to have fresh lettuce and herbs in my kitchen year round. It not only really freshens up the space, but once that greenery comes in, it's going to really make it feel a lot more lively all year round here in Canada where it's currently snowing outside. So subscribe to my channel for a chance to win one set of AirPods at 10,000 subscribers and a brand new MacBook Pro at 1 million subscribers, and of course for updates about my AeroGarden as I go along.